Hi, so today we're taking a look at density. Now, density is something you may have heard about before in random places, but essentially, density is a ratio of how much mass within a certain amount of space. And to get that, there is a pretty basic formula, which I'll rearrange some things here. So, density we can find because it's equal to the mass of an object divided by the volume of an object. Mass divided by volume. So it's pretty easy to find. We spent this week so far finding volume. Well, yesterday and Friday we found volume. So basically, you already know this step. Mass be given to you. So let's say that we have this can here, okay? Now, a can is a cylinder. And cylinders, just remember, in order to, well, let's just say this can has let's say that it's got a radius of 3 and a height of 15. Not exactly accurate, but it'll be fine. So the formula for volume of a cylinder, also before that, let's say it has a mass of, let's say 12 ounces. So yeah, let's just do 12 ounces. Sorry, given to us, why not? And we'll make this centimeters, even though, again, it's not accurate. So all you're going to do in these problems is you're going to start by finding the volume of your shape, okay? So volume is going to be, find the area of the base multiplied by the height, which in this case is pi times our radius cubed. So squared. Pi times 3 squared times 15. Okay. Multiply this all together, we get our answer. And this is a little longer than I meant. And again, if you're not good at multiplication, well, you have Desmos. So let's adjust the size a little bit. So I can just type in pi times 3 squared times 15, and boom, here I go. There you go. That's my answer. So I can say that's equal to 424.12 cubic centimeters. Okay, so now, again, my main goal is to find the density. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. Well, I know that my mass is 12 and my volume is 424.12 cubic centimeters. Okay. So all I have to do is divide 12 by 424, which I'll do over here on the side. And I get 0.03. So I have a density of 0.03. That's it. So all you're doing here is taking the mass dividing by the volume, gives you the density, which we can technically work backwards as well. Again, as long as we have this equation here, well, we can do a lot with it. For example, if I gave you that this has a density of 5 and a mass of 15, well, I can find the volume. All I have to do is set this back up, plug it in. So density is 5, mass is 15, and we're solving for volume. And to do this, if you remember back to our trig lesson, If you have your variable on the bottom, you just swap places with these. So volume is equal to 15 over 3, 15 over 5, which is equal to 3, which means we'd have a volume of 3 in this situation. So you can kind of play around and do whatever with these. Basically, as long as you have this equation here, you plug in what two variables you have and then solve for the third one. So it's not that bad. Most of the time, though, your problems look like this. And it's important to be able to recognize what kind of shape you have, because I'll probably give you real world examples. But good luck to you, and let me know if you have any questions.